So if you want to use DeepL or Google Translate or My Memory or ModernMT in Microsoft Localization Studio, then what you can do is to open project in your Localization Studio, in your LocStudio, which is this program here. And then you just open the segment. So you click your segment, you open it, so you can edit it, and then you select all text by pressing Ctrl+A. So when you press Ctrl+A, everything will be selected. And now you just press Ctrl+Alt+Space to machine translate it using DeepL or Google Translate or other machine translation providers. So again, you open segment, you press Ctrl+A, you press Ctrl+Alt+Space to translate it, and it will be translated. So again, this segment, Ctrl+A and Ctrl+Alt+Space to translate it again. And as you can see, this will be translated into my target language, which is Czech in this case. Well, of course, this only works because there is this special piece of software called Bohemicus running in the background. We have it here, and as you can see, you can select your language, so the source language here. You can select the target language, which is Czech in this case, but you can change it to whatever you want, and then you just choose your translation engine. So as you can see, you can choose Google, My Memory, DeepL, or ModernMT. And yeah, so once you set it up in Bohemicus, you can just minimize Bohemicus and you go back to LocStudio. And as I have already said, you open your segment, you press Ctrl+A to select all text, and then Ctrl+Alt+Space. Yes, I admit this is a little bit clumsy, but unfortunately, Microsoft Localization Studio is not really the pinnacle of usability. So yeah, well, it's a little bit clumsy. It works much better in other translation tools. Bohemicus works much better in other translation tools. If you want to know more about Bohemicus, please read the description below this video. There is a link to Bohemicus. Bohemicus is a special tool for translators and writers. It mainly focuses on machine translation, voice dictation, and productivity enhancing features. So go on. Check it, download it, try it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in some other video.